In prime time news tonight, Prime Minister announces reduction in NHT interest rate and an increase in loan ceiling. Jamaicans feel economy improving, but where's the cash to spend? The latest in the RGR Gleaner Group Don Anderson poll, and why several firearm license holders out west could lose their license.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, and Herman Green is here with a preview.
Thanks, Janella. Well, more good news for borrowers. At least one bank has announced lower interest rates, not only for mortgages, but for some business loans. We'll tell you which bank that is and what the new rates are in the business day.
And from business, we go to sports. Spencer Darlington, what's happening?
Thank you very much, Archie. Well, the regular season of the Red Stripe Premier League ends tomorrow. One of the issues to be decided is which other team will join Reno as relegated teams. We'll tell you more later.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening, we're asking, what are your thoughts on the Prime Minister's speech in the budget debate?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.